Welcome to today's video of Math Strategies Made Simple with Mrs. Braun. Today we're going to look at a representational way to do a 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication problem to find the product. So for example, if you have the problem 21 times 5, we can represent that problem on an area model like I have here over on the side under base 10 representation. So what we're going to do is we're going to represent both of those factors using base 10 drawings. So I'm going to look at 21 first. And I can see in 21 that there's 2 10s. I'm going to draw 2 10s and 1 1. And then looking at 5, that's 5 1s. So essentially what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be showing 5 equal groups of 21 using base 10 pieces. Now, over here under the standard form, I'm going to be setting this up parallel to what I have drawn over here. So I'm going to draw a box. And along the side, my one factor is 5. And then across the bottom, I'm going to group them into 10s and 1s. And so in my tens place, I've got 20, or 2, which is the value of 20, as we can see by the 2 10s down there, and 1 1. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to multiply out. So I'm going to show 5 equal groups of 21. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to work to find my product or my answer. Now this is a partial product strategy, which means I have parts of the answer here, but I'm going to put it all together at the end to get my final product. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of cut down through here, and I'm going to group the 10s and the 1s. When I look at the 10s, I've got 20 down here along the bottom and 5. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm multiplying to find what's in here. You can also count. You can see 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There's 100 there. But I could also do 5 times 20 and get 100 here. Now I'm going to look at the ones place. I've got 5 times 1, and which is 5. Again, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But because this is an area model or an array that we're really building here, I can use multiplication to figure it out as well. So 5 times 1 is 5. Now, to get the total answer, I'm just going to add those two numbers together. 105, or I could come over here, count it all up, and get the same thing, 105. So 21 times 5 equals 105. Let's look at another example. Let's look at 34 times 4. Okay, again, I'm going to show both of these factors using this model down here in base 10 drawings. So 34, I've got 3 10s and 4 1s, and then I'm multiplying it by 4. Okay, so I'm going to be showing 4 equal groups of 34. Now over here with the box, I'm going to set it up. I factor along the side here, I have 4, and I'm multiplying it. If I split this into 10s and 1s, I've got 30 in my 10s, and I've got 4 in my 1s. So let's go ahead and draw out the product and see what we get. So here's one group of 34. Here's 2 groups of 34. Here's 3 groups of 34. And finally 4 groups of 34. Alright, again, I'm looking at splitting this with my 10s and my 1s. So starting with my 10s, I've got 3 columns, which is 40 each because I've multiplied it by 4. And so 4 times 30 is going to get me 120, or you can count these, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. But 4 times 30 is 120. And then I'm going to look at my 1s, and I've got 4 times 4, it's going to give me 16. Okay, and I'm going to add them all together. got my partial products. I'm going to put them together to find my final answer. Okay, same thing you can do over here. But to find out that 34 times 4 equals 136. Take a look at one more example. This time we're going to do 25 times 3. Okay, I'm going to represent both of these factors down here. 25, I've got 2 10s and 5 1s. Then I'm multiplying it by 3, so 3 equal groups of 25. I'm going to set up my box. I'm multiplying by a factor of 3 over here. 2 10s give me 20. I got 5 in the ones place. Represent 25 3 times. There's one group, 2 groups, 3 groups. Let's find our answer. Alright, so I'm looking at 3 times 20. I can count my 10s here. See that it gives me 60. Or I can use my facts to know that 3 times 2 is 6. And since I'm multiplying by a power of 10, add that 0. Then I'm coming over here to the ones. I've got 3 times 5, which gives me 15. Again, you can count or you can use, you can use the facts. And I'm going to add those together. Gives me 75, or you can count them all up over here. Either way, you're going to get the same answer, 75, same product. Okay, here's one for you to try at home. I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you again soon.